Good morning, my wonderful babies. Yes, you all are wonderful. Yes? Okay, so babies, we are doing English, and today's date is 17th December 2020, and day is Thursday. Which day is today? Today is Thursday. Okay, and we will do words with sound E. Two E comes together means long E sound. E and oo. Two O means oo sound. Okay. So whenever you found double E, it will give us a E sound, and whenever you found double O, it will give us a oo sound. Okay. So let's start. So first we'll write E sound words. Okay. E sound words. Alright. So read what I am writing. B E B. B E B. Okay. Second word is S E C. Then Tr E tree. Free. Fr and r mix. When fr and r comes together, it will gives us a sound of fr. Fr E free. Feet. F E T feet. Beep. B E P beep. Keep. K E P keep. Deep. D E P deep. Meet. M E T meet. So when two E comes together, it will give us a long E sound. Okay, and if two O comes together, it will give us a oo sound. Okay, let's make some word with oo sound. T double O two. Zoo. Z double O zoo. Have you visited a zoo? And have you seen animals there and birds there? Yes? Okay. Then we have soon. Come soon. Okay. Moon. Ma. Oo. Na. Moon. Mood. Ma. Oo. The mood. So whenever we say oo, we have to write double O. Okay. Oo. Pool. P. Oo. L. Pool. Room. R. Oo. M. Room. Zoom. Z. Oo. M. Zoom. And food. Food gives us energy. Yes. Food. Okay. So just revise all these words one more time with me. This is double E sound and this is double O sound. Double E gives us a long E sound and double O gives us a oo sound. Okay. So just revise them one more time. B, C, Tr E tree, Fr E free, feet, beep, keep, deep, meet. To, zoo, soon, moon, mood, pool, room, zoom and food. Okay. So you are going to do this work in your English notebook. All right. And in your TP tab book, we are going to read sentences. Okay. So, you will open page number 44. Page number 44 we are reading. Okay. Read it with me. My pen is red. My pen is red. This hen has 10 eggs. Okay. Do you have a pet? From the Fred, you can get the net. Can you see? What is this? This is question mark. If we ask something from somebody, we have to put question mark. This is question mark. अगर हम किसी से कुछ पूछते हैं, like when the sentence is finished, if it is a normal sentence, we'll put full stop. If we are asking something, then it means it's a question and we have to put question mark like this. Okay. Fred, you can get the net. The men are in the tents. Okay. So, page number 44 you are going to read. And the last page, which is page number 62. I hope you all are reading this page. So, let's revise one more time. The, yes, we, she, I, you, me, do, to. He, be, was, my, her, they, all, are, go, no. Your, come, some, said, here, there, give, so, by, and like. So, these two pages you are going to read from your TP tab book. And one page from your Cursive for Junior, that is page number 83. Page number 83 you are going to do. Okay, so just read the instruction first. Circle the word which does not rhyme with the given words. Rhyming words means the words that sound same, like name, same, cry, dry, cry, dry. Okay, net, met. So the words that gives us a same sound are called rhyming words. Okay, so let's find out which word is not rhyming with the other words. Okay, so we have to circle that word that is not rhyming with the other words. Like this is, for read the first line: bug, jug, peg, hug. So which is the different word? Only this word, because it is having a sound, otherwise the other words are having a sound. Okay, ugh. In all the three words we have ugh here. Okay, here it is egg. So circle the word. Fun, pen, sun, run. So which is the different word? Pen. Hut, cut, but, dot. Only this word is having O sound, otherwise rest all are having a sound and ut sound. So you have to circle this word. Cut, bob, rub, tub. Which sound these words are having? Up sound, but only this word is having op sound. So this is a different one, and we have to make circle on it. Okay. Now write two rhyming words for each of the followings. Okay, we have to write down the rhyming words. Bun. So we have to we have to match the other two words with the same sound. So you can write sun and gun. Jug, ma aga mug, ra aga rug. Nut, hut and cut. Bug, tug and hug. So this is the way you can also make your own words, rhyming words. Okay, babies. And open the last page, that is page number 88. Page number 88 we are doing. Okay, double E means E sound, U sound and R words. Okay, so just read them: beep, deep, jeep, keep. Read them first and write it down here. Then we have U sound: cool, fool, tool, wool. Read them and write it there. Then we have these vowel pair: bear, deer, hare, there, here, near. Okay, so read them once and write it down here. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a wonderful time.